Ironwood Electronics recently developed ATE test contactors using PicoRaptor 2 solid contact technology with elastomers. This particular design is specifically developed for MSOP device, 3 by 3 millimeters, 10 leads, 0.5 millimeter pitch. The test contactor has socket body, frame, an alignment plate, and it has a cartridge. The unique advantage of the cartridge is once the test is completed or 500,000 devices tested, it is easy to remove the cartridge and replace. So the time for production down is very minimal. To use the socket, it is mounted onto a board as shown here in a clear acrylic plate, and to do initial debug and verification, a plate is assembled for a manual lead. The device is placed, the manual actuator is placed on it, applied the pressure by turning the screw. Now all the debug is cleared. Once the debug is completed, the manual actuator and the plate is removed. The devices are being handled by the Esmo Talos handler. The device will be fed into the pocket and does the test in a very fast production manner. Thank you.